What it do, my YouTubers? Welcome back to Big Joe's world, man. As you can see, we done took the wheels off the Silverado. Yep, we done took them off. It's kind of a bittersweet day for you, boy. Say hi to the OBS. But it's one of these days, man, you know, it's time to move on. You can tell by the title, it's time to move on, man. It's time for something new, you know? There's a lot of memories in this truck. This was the truck I started my YouTube journey with. It was kind of gonna be bittersweet of letting her go, but it's just that time, man. You know, sometimes you just have to move on from certain things. She had started getting me a lot of problems. Not wanting to crank, then she got a ground issue, ABS lights, check engine lights. Just replaced the lower control arms on both sides. Now the uppers need to be replaced. Need some brake work done to her. Partially it's my fault because I wasn't really just keeping the maintenance up on her like that. But kind of let it get out of hand. So not saying that I couldn't fix it or get it fixed or get it refixed, but you know, it's just time, man. It's a 2014, so that's what, 12-year-old truck. And I was also told before I bought it, it was one of the worst trucks that the Chevrolet ever made in this model or whatever. So yeah, just time we move on, man. I already sold her yesterday. So we'll probably be going to get the new vehicle tomorrow. They had to do some cleaning up and stuff on it. Now I didn't get a new vehicle, but it's newer than this one. And I like it, you know what I'm saying? It's something that I wanted. It'll be good for business as far as me traveling to different car shows and stuff. And yeah, man, I'm gonna bring y'all on this journey. I am gonna leave the grill in there though. If it didn't take so much to get it out, I would have took it out, but shit, it take forever to get that thing out. And I just ain't got time for it today, so. Yeah, man, letting it go. Say bye-bye. Don't miss her, but it is what it is. Move on, we don't marry no vehicles over here. We just do what we do to them and keep it kicking, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, when I go get it tomorrow, I'll probably do a little recording and bring y'all along on that journey, man. Let y'all see what we picked up. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, YouTube. So after about a week and a half, man, we finally about to go get the new truck. Been waiting. But it's time to go get it now. It's Thursday. I bought the truck last Tuesday. They had to get some stuff repaired on it, so we had to wait a little while, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? We already did the paperwork and everything, so we just going to hand them the keys, and they're going to give us the keys to our truck. And I'm going to bring y'all on this journey and let y'all see what it look like, man, so y'all can check it out. But yeah, man, it's going to be my last ride in the Silverado, man. Kind of bittersweet, but hey, we're going to make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? So y'all lay around, man. I'm going to get some of this rolling footage of this last ride. Yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the dealership. go, guys. New Yukon. Baby over there about to get ready to leave. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Yes, sir, upgraded. Y'all see what you look like. Look good. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this thing is so nice. Jesus Christ. This thing. I might have to go short on this. Right there. Bad boy, nice. One day I'll be able to get me one of these. Which I had one already. I had a 2017 Silverado, but one like this one. It's man, it's the ultimate too. I think it drive by itself. Yes, sir. Look at that. Wow, you gotta have a little paper to get down these, huh? Hey, we're about to get out of here, man. Check out in a minute. All right, YouTube, man. We done got this thing, man. We're about to get ready to head to work. Gotta pay for it now. Shit, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. I hope y'all like the new addition to the collection. Probably gonna end up doing some blackouts, changing out some things on it. I am gonna do another good detailing on it because you know the dealership, they ain't gonna really do a good deep dive into it when it comes to the deep detailing. They gonna do what they can do to make it look pretty and get it up out of here, man. But yeah, man, y'all know we're gonna clean it up, we're gonna get it right. Got some little cosmetic stuff that we're gonna take care of, which is kind of part of the deal that I made with the dealership, but it is what it is, man. Y'all know we don't mind that type of stuff, but everything is content now, man. All this car stuff is content, more content, man. Yeah, so I'm about to head to the crib, man, get ready for work. Thank y'all for coming on this journey with me. Thank y'all for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button like y'all been doing. And we're gonna continue to go, man. We'll continue to go. All right, I'm finna drive now, so y'all just lay around, stay tuned. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.